Thank you, my lord. I have no further questions.
Yes, Mr. Mnisi.
I've got one question, two questions now.
4.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Hlokwe. When you were still a student at Medical University of South Africa, was Professor Mokgokong still a Vice Chancellor and Rector there?
No. At the time, there was a time whereby he had to resign. In the middle, at the beginning, yes, he was.
Yes.
In the middle, he had to resign. And then from there was De Beer, who came in.
No, don't worry about his successors. I just wanted to know whether at the time at which you studied there, was he still a professor as you just said, no?
He was for the first, I think, first year.
Oh, okay. In your fledgling stages of your studies. Thank you. Comprehensive medical assessment. You still remember that word?
Yes.
Where did it come from?
It means a full...
no, I don't want you to give me a description or a definition of that word.
It means a comprehensive,
yes.
a fully clouded, a fully well-done examination of an individual, given what you have in hand.
Uma ke ubhekwa lokho ke onakho ke noma ubhekene nako phambi kwakho ke uma kuthethwa ke ngayo ke I comprehensive examination kusho ukuthi ke wenze konke noma wabheka konke.
Thank you, Doc. Listen carefully. I'm asking you, in the course of your testimony, where did that word come from? Comprehensive medical assessment. If you so remember. Let me assist you.
Mm-hmm.
When the state was just about to close leading you, his examination in chief, he asked you whether, in terms of what you did, there was a comprehensive medical assessment, mm-hmm. and then you said yes. Do you remember?
Mm-hmm. That was not the question.
Yeah, I can tell you what the question was.
There's a reception where they do a preliminary assessment.
Community service, is it?
And he also does an examination.
Is that you're talking about, Mr. Mnisi? Community service?
No, my lord. As I understood the state, I think that was the anti-penultimate question to the witness, where he says, would you then regard what you did, I'm just paraphrasing the state, would you regard what you did as a comprehensive medical assessment? And the doctor said yes. Probably the record can clarify that.
That's not what the witness said. The state asked him, he said there's a station at reception where they do a preliminary examination, and then the patient then comes to him, and the state then asks him, in light of the fact that was this preliminary examination, and he also did an examination, so it was a comprehensive examination. That was the question and answer.
My lord, I don't want to be unfair with the witness here. Otherwise, I'll be deviating from the oath that I take, that as I embark on this profession, I'll be here to assist the court at all costs. I am not so sure whether the court will be amenable to allow us the opportunity to go to the record. I mean, to listen to the tape recordings, just to clarify this issue, or just to put this issue at rest. Because I don't want to be unfair to this witness.
Can counsel put his question to the witness can comment.
My lord, the state is in no way authorized to tell me how to conduct my cross-examination. Now he's objecting that what I'm putting to this witness is not what he said to this witness, and I heard him well. Now I say let's go to the record, or to the transcript, or to the audio recording, then you say I should continue putting my questions. What kind of a process is that? What kind of a procedure is this? Because by the very fact that he's objected to what I've said, he's basically insinuating that what I've put to this witness is not what he said. And I maintain that that is exactly what he said. Now he says let me continue with my question. And I'm saying to the court, out of respect for this witness, I don't want to proceed with a question that I'm putting to this witness that is disputed. Let us put this aspect of whether or not the state put to this witness that would you then therefore say that based on what you did, that was a comprehensive medical assessment, that is just to paraphrase him. That should be beyond doubt before I proceed with this question.
Let me tell you, from what I was asked, I don't remember,
Yes.
and I don't recall when it says comprehensive. Remember comprehensive, you're gonna listen to me. Remember comprehensive, it's an examination that was done on an individual.
Understand me, sir. Understand me. Understand me.
Sorry, Mr. Minister.
This word did not come from you. It came to the state, and then you concurred with the state that you did a comprehensive medical examination on the patient that you saw on that day. Now the state, as I'm repeating that question, then the state is saying, no, that is not what the state put to you. We are not part of the dispute. Let me assure you, we are not, you are not part of the list, the dispute. You see, the dispute is about me having understood the state
Sorry,
in a
Mr.
different way
Minister.
than you paraphrased, than you said the question. Yes, my lord.
Let's try and resolve this.
Yes.
Doctor, do you recall being asked the question as was relayed
What-
to you by...
What I recall,
Yeah,
I recall being asked
yeah.
if what, not from my mindset, if what I have said here or what I have written here, it's an honest and straightforward assessment of an individual. That's what I remember.
Engikukhumbulayo ke mina ngikubuzwa ke lana ukuthi ke uyiqiniso yini lokhu ukuthi ke i-assessment noma ke ukubheka ke noma ke ukuhlola ke umuntu engakwenza ngokukhumbula kwami. Ikona lokho engikukhumbula ngibuzwa umbuso.
May we go to the record, madam?
Yeah.
To the audio. As it is a record, madam.
Okay, can you trace the audio for us? When did you...
It was just what, I think it was his anti-penultimate question, last but two questions before he closed his cross-examination. I mean, his evidence in
And
chief.
chief assistance is more towards the end, my
Yes.
lord, where
Before the
I asked-
cross-examination,
yes, or free examination, where I asked the witness, in light of the fact that the patient first had his vital signs taken at the reception, and he also did the examination, so it was a comprehensive. I'm the one who used the word.
okay. Can you find that, sir? You have what? I can't hear. Oh, the volume is low. Is that the place?
But maybe it will be if we go closer to the
Yuna ke singabugcina ekufanele siqiniseke lokho ekuyikona ukufundisa uma kuwukuthi ke ilapho ke khona.
What's the score, Mr. Minister? 2-0. I say the score is 2-0.
It's not too nearly, my lord.
It's what?
Actually 10 not.
3-0.
10.
And you win.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Did you
you.
hear the translation? I mean the recording.
I could hear that, my lord, and I know exactly what I said.
Okay, fine. Continue, Mr.
As it pleases the court. Now, that which you are referring to as a comprehensive medical report is what is contained in this medical form here. Is that
That's
so?
a
My lord, that is not correct. That is not what I put to the witness who spent the whole afternoon until the cows come home. Let me once again try to clarify this. The witness said before the patient comes to him, he goes to reception, they take the vitals.
Objection, my lord. Objection. He who testifies and needs to give answers to the question is the witness.
So, I'm raising objection, my lord. The witness mentioned that they also check for signs of trauma, and thereafter the patient then comes to him, and he does his examination. So the question was, in light of the fact that the patient first goes to reception, they take the vital signs, they check for trauma, then the patient comes to him. It's an inclusive examination. That is what was put to the witness.
Okay, I will check this later. But Mr. Nisi, you can cross-examine this witness on the basis of what you say you heard.
As it pleases the court.
Okay.